Hello, friends. Again, welcome back today. Today, I have some good news for you guys. Just make sure that you subscribe to my channel because what I'm going to teach you today, it's gonna be impressive. Yeah. So, today I'm gonna teach you on how best you can create a barcode, a barcode of your products. You may be having maybe a business. You may be having maybe a school that you're running and you wanted to create barcodes for each child or for each student. Yeah, let's try it out and see how best it will work out. Just for me, for the best, I want to show you how best you can do it in Excel. So at the moment, uh, let's go. Okay. Yeah, so let's go. Okay. So first of all, we are going to come to our Excel sheet. This is our Excel sheet. And what we're going to do, we are going to we're going to maybe have some small items, maybe item. Then next we are going to say maybe we are going to say code, and then after code we shall say barcode. Yeah, we can say barcode. Barcode. Good. I want to show you this just in a simple way. Let me even increase, I try to zoom in. Yeah, so this is what I have for you guys. Let me just do a simple table here. Let me make it in a table. I insert a table. So that's what we have. Okay, maybe let me just cut this one. I bring it here. I bring this one. I bring it here. And then this one, I bring it here. Okay, so in item, maybe I'm going to say Jonathan. I say maybe Precious. I say maybe Penina. I say maybe Cecily. And then maybe NABASA. Then maybe Ladukunda. Then maybe Ainomjisha. Then maybe Cecily. I mean Atimango. Atimango. Then maybe Victoria. So these are our items. And then the barcode, barcode, I mean the code, you can either decide to use only letters. You can either use letters and numbers. You can use anything you want. You understand? So at the moment, here I'm going to say I'll be picking some numbers from the names, and then I add some little digits. Yeah, so maybe I may say J, then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And then I say maybe P. Then I can say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 7, 8, 3, 9. Then I can say still P. You can say P. Then 9. Then here I say 40. Then I can say C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 41. Then here I can say N. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Then 4, 2. Then here I can say I 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 4, 3. Then here I can say A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 4. Okay, then here I can say A. Then here I say 4, 5. 4, 5. Then here I can say V. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I mean 7, 8. Then 4, 6. So these are our codes, so that maybe once we are putting a barcode, these are the codes that will directly appear. So after that, we are going to highlight this. You have to make sure that these things are in text format. So you highlight them, then you right-click your mouse, then you come to format cells. So once you click on format cells, you'll be seeing general number, currency, account, or whatever. You make sure that these all are in text. So once they're in text, you press OK. And then you come here. Once you come here, this is where we have to first make sure that at least these codes, they are in brackets, so that once we bring our barcode, they automatically generate. So which formula are we going to use? We'll have to make sure that before you do anything, you have to be having an ID generation, like a barcode generator, which is called ID automation. We use ID automation for barcodes. Hope you can see this. ID automation. Hope you can see it. Most of the computers will not be having this. And then the only thing you can do, you just come here, you just come to your Google search, and then you just put ID, you just type in ID automation font download. So once you say like this, you just press search, and then you come here on free code. Once you're there, you'll find this free code 39 barcode font. And then once you slope down, you'll see there are very many things there. You'll just come here and say download. And once it starts downloading, you'll get a zipped file. And that zipped file, you will compress it. And after compressing it, you just come and install the ID Automation H339M free version. Once you install it, it will automatically go, it will be added onto fonts, maybe Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Publisher, everywhere that you need to use a font, it will be automatically put there. So after that, there is a formula, because we need to use a unique way, so that at least our barcode can be, even though you scan it with whatever thing, it can be scanned and bring the details. So what we're going to do, just put equal signs, because we need to first put it in brackets. Press equal signs, and then quotation marks, open quotation marks, then you open brackets. Then after that, still put that open quotation marks. Hope you can view this very well. Let me even try to zoom it in. Yeah. After that, put this and sign. And then you're going to put like a code. So my first code is about Jonathan. So I'll take Jonathan. I'll take that code of Jonathan. And after that, I'll still bring the and sign. After that, I put those closing quotation marks. And after that, I close the bracket. And again, I put the closing quotation marks. Once I'm done there, I'll just click enter. So once I click enter, you see there is something like magic here. It's magic. Everything has been auto-generated into brackets. Hope you can see this clearly. So after doing like this, what you're going to do, just come and click on the first barcode, and then come to your font. Let me zoom this very clearly. Come to your font type, and then just type in ID automation. It is here. This is ID automation. If you search it like down there, it is here. So it will automatically generate a code for Jonathan. Hope you can see this is JO023457838. And once you check on this barcode here, I mean on the code here, it's the same thing here. So what we're going to do, we are going to do for the rest. And you'll be able to see that each code with a barcode, each code with a barcode. Now, let's assume that maybe you're doing like maybe you're in your database and your intent is to change one digit maybe in a code. So let's assume that maybe here I'm going to say I'm going to add N at last. I want to make maybe Jonathan, I want this N to come and appear here. So let me add N. Once you add N and press enter, you'll be able to see it on this barcode here. Hope you can see it. Before it wasn't there, but now it has been applied there. So you can get your phone, download barcode scanner, and once you like scan this code here, it should be able to bring the details of this code. Hope I'm understood. Yeah, what I mean, get your phone, download barcode scanner, and then once you scan this code here, once you scan this code here, or any of these, it should be able to bring you the details of this. So basically, that is how we can do it. That's how we can do the scanner. That's how we can do the barcode, and then basically in Excel. I want to thank you all for your time, for following us. I am begging you, in case you've not understood anything, just go in the comment part. Please ask your question. Try to comment. You know, we shall be able to give you feedback, and we shall be able to guide you on what to do next. Then try to share this video to your friends. Many people are there suffering with their businesses. They're like, wow, I want to make like maybe I want to add barcodes on my products. Maybe I'm selling like soap. I'm selling like maybe saucepans, and I want to put barcode so that at least when I scan this barcode, it shows me that this is a saucepan that has been sold. Barcodes are basically used in supermarkets. They attach like codes on each and every product and their price tags. So once I scan this code like this, it automatically brings me, you've sold V&A at maybe 70,000, and the system will automatically generate the money. You understand? So try to subscribe to our channel because we are bringing you more beautiful videos. And lastly, like the video if it has been helpful to you. Why don't you like it? Kindly like the video, and then we shall be good to go. Kindly, I beg to stop here. Guys, I love you so much because you're just showing me love, like you're showing me, oh, you're making me grow day and night. So by this time, allow me to stop here, and I wish you all the best. Happy New Year 2023.